The Essential Services Commission has advised Melbourne's water companies that they can raise their prices by only between 20 and 26%. With the cost of living already a concern for many Victorian households, had the retailers got their way, some bills would have gone up by 38%, or an extra $200 a year. For Brunswick East couple Daniel Ramsden and Simone Portelli, it would be a large hike in their bills.
It's pretty crazy. $200 is a lot to increase, and that's just one utility that we have to pay for.
While Daniel and Simone are able to stretch their budgets to cover the increase, they feel that others will struggle.
26% is not so bad for us, but families and people with less money are going to find that pretty difficult, especially with electricity, and it's going up at the same rate as well.
Yarra Valley Water, one of Melbourne's largest retailers, was seeking a 38% increase in its rates. The average household, already paying $528 a year, would have seen its bills go up towards $727 a year. According to suppliers, one reason for rates going up follows a move by Melbourne Water to recover the costs of the state government's desalination plant. The Commission's report expressed concern over Melbourne Water's intention to pass on the costs of the desalination plant as they arise. ESC Chairman Ron Ben David said that the costs were too steep and needed to be spread out to better reflect the plant's expected life of operation. Even though Melbourne Water incurs those costs over 27 years, the plant will have an operating life of at least 50 years. We would like to see a proposal that better matches the cost recovery with the benefits. Until recent years, Melbourne's 4 million plus residents' water use was trending down towards the recommended target of 155 litres per person per day. But in 2013 it has been higher than 225 litres, or 45% above the target. This year Victorians received rebates for desalination plant delays and a price freeze. But the freeze will be lifted towards the end of the year, allowing for current prices to rise. In spite of the recent rebate, households should expect the cost of Victoria's desalination plant to seep into future bills. And if current trends in use continue, residents will need every extra drop. Nicholas McCallum, Melbourne.